Hello everyone, how are you today? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can start a product photography business with only help of AI. You don't need any kind of skills like photography or Photoshop. All the work is gonna done by AI only. So let's get started. Here you can see real-time examples how everyone is doing this and selling it. You can also do this and do this by the help of AI only. Here you can see for how much people are selling it on Fiverr. But I can understand that these people must not be using any AI and doing it all by themselves, which is very time consuming. But as we are going to use only AI, if we only make 10th part of the amount what they are making, that would be more than enough. Because they would have taken lots of time to do this, while we are going to take just 10 to 15 minutes and our work would be done. So before I teach you how to do it, let's just browse the Fiverr. Does it really worth it, what I'm going to teach you? So let's log into Fiverr, and you can see here opening on Fiverr that I'm searching for you this service on Fiverr, and you can see how many people are selling this kind of gigs on Fiverr. Here in details what people are selling and how much are they charging. So you can also do the same, but this time we with the help of AI. So let's learn how to do it now. First of all, search for Wondershare Virtue Look on Google, or you can pause the video here and see the URL yourself. And once you reach to this website, Virtue Look, now we just need to sign up. While there are multiple ways to sign up, but I'm going to use the Google. As you know, if you have been following me, that I always use Google to sign up, as it's very easy. So after signing up, here are you can see the product photo generation. Below this, I need to click on create new. Here you can see a few pre-made images to test it, but I downloaded an image for you from internet and shows you how does it works. So I got this mug with BTS logo. I hope you know what is BTS. It's a trending topic nowadays, especially in girls. So now we are going to just click on the area I want to keep, and rest would be removed. Okay, so that will be save lots of time. Here you can see that there are lots of options. I'm selecting one image generation instead of 4, and for upscale I'm using original, and for the background I'm going to select the one I like. Let's click on the cast the spell button. Now you can see how it generates it. Here you can see it even generated a background effect. Here we have options to download it even. Let's try it with more images. This time I'm going to select a bigger size image. So here you can see I have got a larger image. Now selecting the image where I want to keep, rest would be removed. And this time I'm going to select two images instead of one. For our scale, I'm going to select 2x this time, and selecting a different background this time. So you can see I mistakenly selected kitchen, but it somehow adjusted it there. And here is one more variation of this. Now let's see, if you have a model, how to work with it instead of just a product. Here I am selecting one of the given model picture by this site to show you how does it work. Here you can see I am selecting the parts which I want to keep in the image. Here you can see it has added the model in the background, and it's looking really amazing as the image would be real. Here I am doing it with another model, but this time I am going to change. But this time I am not going to change this background. Instead, I am going to change the face of the model also. To see the possibilities with this tool, here you can see we have options to select gender, skin tone, and age group. Here you can see I got two different images, where in the one image it's just a background changed, while in the other face of the model is changed. I hope you like this video. I have created more of these kinds of videos of AI business ideas, so feel free to browse in my YouTube channel and check out the videos you like. Please click the like button if you like the video, and share it with your friends if you think that it's going to be helpful for them. And please do not forget to subscribe if you like my content. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.